Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Telegram group and stop members from sending video messages, you're in the right place. With the latest Telegram update, admins can easily manage what kind of media their group members are allowed to share. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to prevent video messages from being sent in your Telegram group using the PC app. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, head over to the group where you're an admin. Only admins have the power to change group permissions, so double-check your status before moving forward. Once you're inside the group chat, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 dots. Click on them to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group's management settings, where you can control how your group operates. Inside the management panel, find and click on Permissions. This section is where you decide what members can and can't do in your group. Now, look for the Send Media option. Click on it to expand the media permissions. Here, you'll see different types of media that members are allowed to send, including video messages. To prevent video messages, simply disable the option labeled Video Messages. Make sure the toggle is switched off so group members can no longer send video messages in the chat. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to click Save. This step is crucial to ensure your new settings are applied. And that's it. By following these steps, you've now successfully prevented group members from sending video messages in your Telegram group on PC. This gives you more control over the content shared and helps keep your group focused and organized. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with other Telegram admins. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy a more streamlined group experience.